guys, Dr. J here. We realize that people love watching people and hearing people get adjusted, so we're going to start doing different videos so you guys can kind of see how it goes, what it looks like, what it feels like, and I'm sure Arturo will tell you it's not painful. It doesn't hurt in any way like people assume it will, but we're going to go ahead and adjust Arturo because he's a super happy, healthy dude, so we're going to get him even healthier. So first thing I do is I'm checking Arturo's, what we call his thoracic spine, which is right here in the middle. And with Arturo, we got a special little place right here at T6, the sixth vertebrae down, which actually sends nerve flow to different organs, not just the muscles in this area. So the nerves that come out of his spine actually go to his liver, also parts of his pancreas. So Arturo, give me a breath in. All right, how'd that feel, Arturo? Perfect. All right, that's what he's trained to say that, by the way. No, just teasing. Just teasing. All right, so then we're going to work our way down. I like to use the x-rays because although I can feel his spine really well, I can't feel it all. So with Arturo on his x-rays, his spine deviates or bends to the left at about L2 and L3, which are the second and third vertebrae of his lumbar spine. So Arturo, what I'm going to have you do is turn this way and lay on your right side. Now L2 and L3 actually control the intestinal function. So not only the low back muscles, they also control some of the leg muscles, which Arturo, you got good leg muscles. Yeah. It's all the squats you do, Arturo. Drop right there. Good. Beautiful. Face up for me, Arturo. And last but not least, if you could lift your head for me, sir. Thank you. We're going to adjust Arturo's neck. Now, according to his x-ray, Arturo actually has a decent curve, better than most people, but he's got a compression of the disc, which is at 2, 3, 4, between L4 or C4 and C5. C4 and C5 does send nerve flow to muscles in his neck, also his mouth and his throat. So, we're going to very gently, painlessly adjust Arturo's neck. Good. Now I know it looks like a Chuck Norris movie, but did that hurt at all? Not at all. Feel good?
I feel great.
Rock and roll. Come on up. So Josh here, and last time we talked about sciatica, a lot of people have messaged me, commented saying that they have a lot of problems. They think it's sciatica. A lot of times people misdiagnose that, but typically it's low back pain that you're also getting like a sharp shooting pain coming down the butt, sometimes to the knee, sometimes all the way to the foot. It can be debilitating. Drugs can help relieve the symptoms, but they're not going to cure it. So I'm going to try to give you guys a few different things you can do. This is basically like a foam roll. It's a little more advanced, so I wouldn't recommend this for beginners, but just the white, soft one is totally fine. But this is something you can do to help you with sciatica. So we're going to do several different videos that you guys can use to hopefully help you out with that. But let's assume the sciatica is on the left side. What I want you to do is you're going to put this on the floor. You're going to basically take your left glutes and you're going to sit it right on the foam roll. All right, so a lot of times sciatica is caused by the piriformis muscle, so this is going to help kind of alleviate the piriformis muscle. Hopefully I'm in the shot here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to cross this leg over, and then you're going to rotate your body to that side, and then you're just going to slowly go back and forth on that glute. And when you get to a really tender spot, unfortunately, that's where you're supposed to stop for a minute or two. Well, not a minute or two, but a few seconds, and let it kind of loosen up. And imagine that it's almost like a rolling pin rolling out cookie dough. But if you do this a couple times a day for literally a few minutes, it'll help loosen that piriformis muscle up, which will take a lot of pressure off of the sciatic nerve, and that should help alleviate some of the symptoms, if not all of them. We're going to give you more stuff in the future, but give that a shot. If you've had the condition for a long time and you've tried this plus other stuff, you may want to seek professional advice or attention and get examined by someone that knows a little bit more about that. If you want to see us, click on the link below. We've got a really good offer, and good luck to you guys, and we'll see you guys soon.